Now on part 1, we will explore the connected factory. Step 1. Review the glazing company overview page. So on the warehouse, click on the warehouse, and from any laptop or PC, we open the web browser and enter web server. So this is the landing page of this factory, and it introduced about glaze company. This company makes ceramic coatings for space capsules, autoclaves, and ships. And the processes in the factory are monitored via camera sensors and people on the assembly lines. The factory also has a store for the public to observe the process and buy samples of ceramics that have been in outer space and other exotic areas. And at last, this factory introduced that its process is environmentally safe because the use of the IoT devices. So after reading the introduction about the glaze company, we can close the window. Next, on step 2, we will run the classic car in the warehouse. As you know that the classic car will produce a lot of harmful air like CO2 or CO. So it's harmful for the health of the workers here. So with the IoT solution, this warehouse will ensure that the CO2 or CO level will be in a normal range. So take a look at the window at the north and the window at the south. They are smart window and connected wirelessly to the access switch. This one, the south window, is connected to the CO2 detector. And now we can run the old car to produce CO2 and CO by pressing on button and click on it. Have a look at the window. The window is automatically opened to reduce the level of the CO and CO2. Now I click on the old car again and wait some seconds. So when the environment return to the normal level of CO and CO2, the window is closed to ensure the security of the warehouse. Besides checking the window, you can see the fan is running to make the CO and CO2 out of the window to ensure the good environment for the workers here.